The crypto market continues to bleed. We are down 4+%, losing over another $100 billion in market capitalization. Got a pretty significant announcement for you coming from presidential candidate Donald Trump. And we're going to talk about that. I think it's pretty shocking, and it definitely marks a different point of view and stance and policy compared to the current policy that the current presidential regime has for crypto, Bitcoin, all of that. So we're going to talk about that in this video. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's get into this. Like I said, down 4+%, Bitcoin down 4, Ethereum down almost 4. Basically, just everything is shedding. It's looking red. It's a great buying opportunity, great day. I've been buying a few little specific cryptos here and there, just kind of adding to my bags as we have gone along. Okay, so here's what I want to share with you. So presidential candidate Donald Trump's come out and gave a interview to Fox's business Maria Bartiromo, and talking about the fact that he said, quote, "We could pay the US's $35 trillion debt with Bitcoin." I love that. Okay. He also goes on to talk about the fact that in this first read, that the United States must be at the forefront of crypto and the technology, or risk falling behind other countries, especially in China. Because that's really, truly, I think what is key here is that crypto is not going to go away. The technology is not going away. And sticking your head in the sand and ignoring it, or trying to basically push it down and outlaw it, and everything that we seem to have going on here in the United States, is the wrong thing. Okay, this is the next financial frontier, and the technology underlying all of crypto is, again, one of the most important technological movements that we will ever see. And if we ignore it as a country and we're not involved with it, we will fall behind. Point blank, end of story. Okay, and so that's what it really comes down to. He goes on to say, quote, "Crypto is a very interesting thing. It's very high level intellectually, but if we don't do it, China will. China's already doing it. If we don't take steps, other countries will." So he already talked about the fact that crypto is a major global stage, and underlined its increased importance by stating that it's larger than many countries and the world's largest companies. And he criticized the current administration's policies, i.e. President Biden, saying, quote, "Can you imagine Biden telling you to stop something he has no idea what it is?" Okay, he basically talks about the fact that Biden and the administration don't really understand it, and and then he goes on to say, maybe we could pay off our $35 trillion debt with some Bitcoin. Hey, yeah, why not, right? I mean, the amount of Bitcoin that we have in the United States I would not recommend them selling it now, although they just did sell some, which was, in my opinion, a mistake, is out there. Okay, so Donald Trump announcing what I consider a major crypto plan, i.e. we're not going to let China and other countries get ahead of us. We're going to be involved. We're going to be at the center of it. We're going to adopt it. We're going to be a major factor in crypto. That's what I care about, and that's in line with what I want for us in crypto, for you and I in crypto. I want the United States, and I want crypto to be bigger, and I want the United States involvement in it to be positive and proactive, instead of the current administration's policies around that. It's about as close as you'll ever get me to talk about a political statement, although that's not a political statement. I'm simply saying, talking about crypto, and that's how I look at it, right? If you look at the bottom line, current administration versus Trump, etc., the lines are very clear. Okay, so what do you think? Drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, I'll see you. Go make some money. Take care. Bye.